7 Habits that damage your brain. Number 1. Poor diet. Consuming a diet high in processed foods, saturated fats, and sugar can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, which can harm brain cells. Number 2. Lack of sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation can impair cognitive function, memory, and attention. It is during sleep that the brain consolidates memories and performs essential repair processes. Number 3. Chronic stress. Prolonged periods of stress can lead to increased levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that, in excess, can damage brain cells and negatively affect memory and learning. Number 4. Sedentary lifestyle. Leading a sedentary lifestyle with little physical activity can negatively impact brain health. Regular exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Number 5. Excessive alcohol consumption. Heavy and prolonged alcohol use can have detrimental effects on the brain, leading to memory problems, cognitive impairment, and increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 6. Smoking cigarettes, or using other tobacco products can constrict blood vessels, reduce blood flow to the brain, and increase the risk of stroke, dementia, and cognitive decline. Number 7. Chronic loneliness and isolation. Prolonged social isolation and loneliness have been linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and mental health issues. Social interactions and connections are important for maintaining brain health.